In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor on this Nissan Rogue. It's going to be located behind the glove box in the center of the dash. Let's get into it. You want to open the glove box. Then you want to pop this rod off, just like that. And just grab the glove box. You just want to pull outward. And you just work it back and forth. Get that out. I'll take this cover off. Just use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. Pop that off. I'm going to take this screw out. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to take this vent out. I'm just going to use a trim tool. Just get underneath here. You just want to pull it out. It's just kind of clipped in. And take this trim piece off. Just get underneath here. The trim tool. Just pop this out. Just like that. It's just clipped in. Now we're going to remove this HVAC control bezel. Just get under here with a trim tool. Just pull it forward, just like that. It pops out. You can disconnect that. Just push down on the connector. There's another connector. I'll disconnect that as well. Just like that. I'll just grab this bezel around the starter switch. Just pull it straight back. And just let that hang out of the way. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, take these screws out. I'm just going to use a magnet so I don't drop them. Pull those out. This one too. Up top. And you want to grab the radio, and it's in there a little bit tight. Just pop it out. You can just set this aside, out of the way, just like that. On this panel, we're going to take these screws out, use a Phillips head screwdriver, and use a magnet. You can pull that out. And just grab this panel and just pull it forward with a little bit of force. It's out of the way. We're going to reach in, disconnect the connector, just push down on the tab, slide that connector out. Now there's a Phillips head screw. Just use a Phillips head screwdriver. Use a magnet, take that out. And right above where the screw was, there is a clip. Just want to take a straight blade screwdriver, just pop that clip to the side a little bit. Then we're going to rotate this clockwise, just like that. And the blower motor will come right up. And pull it right out. And take the blower motor, slide that in place, make sure the wiring harness doesn't get in your way. And push it in and twist it to the left. Take the screw, get the screw started, snug that down. Tight. Take the connector, line that up, make sure it clips in place. Yep, that's good. And we'll take this panel, get this lined up. There is a little light here that popped out when we took it off. You just want to get that lined up. You can push that in place and get this lined up. Tap it in place. And take the screws, get the screws started. Snug those down. these 3 up top. Snug those down. Now take the radio and get this lined up. Make sure all the wires are out of the way. That's good. Push it in place and get the screws started. Snug those down. And that screw. Snug those down. And this bezel, get that lined up. Lock that down. Now connect the connectors for the heater control. Just plug the connectors in. Lock those down. Line this up. Lock that down. Take the vent, line that up, lock that down, take the screw, snug that down. Side here, we can take this cover, line that up, push that in place. Now take the glove box, slide that in place. You have to go back and forth with it a little bit and get the lower latch lined up, and just tap it in. And you want to connect the damper, push that on, close it up, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.